Hello, thriving people! Welcome to my channel. My name is Almira Ramiro and welcome sa journey natin. Today gusto ko magbigay ng sneak peek about what you can expect and why you wanna stick around. So as a student, aspiring entrepreneur, and creator, sobrang colorful ng buhay ko. Punong-puno ng challenges at kung ano-ano pang opportunities. So I've decided to open up my world and isama kayo sa bawat step ng journey ko. So you might be wondering, Almira, what is your goal? Well, I've set my sight on achieving my first million pesos, which is isang malaking milestone sa entrepreneurial journey ko. And guess what? I want you to witness every single step of this accelerating process. Pero syempre, it's not all about sunshine and rainbow. Along the way, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga challenges, pati na rin yung mga moments na kinakabahan ako about sa productivity problem ko and hindi ko pa rin alam kung paano ko ba ma-achieve yung goal na achieving your first million, which is lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganyan. At from this day forward, wala akong itatago, i-share ko sa inyo lahat. Well, ang channel na to is hindi siya tungkol lang sa akin, but it's all about us. Gusto ko magtayo ng community ng mga tao na driven katulad ko at determinadong mag-succeed, harapin yung mga challenges at syempre mag-grow tayo together. Together we learn, support each other, and celebrate every victory no matter how small it is. So kung estudyante ka na nagbabalas ng dreams and academics, aspiring entrepreneur na hustling towards your first million, o kaya simpleng tao lang na gustong mag-level up ang productivity, you're in the right place. So, mag-subscribe ka na sa channel ko at i-hit yung notification bell button at samahan niyo ako sa journey na to. Remember, success is a journey na dapat hindi ka mag-isa. I can't wait to share my mindset, mga victories, challenges, at lahat-lahat in between. So, thank you so much for stopping by here and I'll catch you in the next video.